What is going on, guys? Happy Saturday. Yes. So, I'm going to warn you, this is going to be an extremely long video. I got a lot of wrenching I want to do tonight in this video because I want to get some stuff ready to ship over to Jim down there in southern Michigan, a good buddy of mine. I am going to give my dad's Deadbolt a little bit of a a little bit of a facelift, because this body is brand stinking new, so I won't have to deal with any more paint lifting off from the plastic underneath there, because I did paint this one myself. And that mainly, I think, is because I have a magnet attached underneath of there, so every time I pick up on the body, it's pulling the paint off. Yeah, it's not the greatest paint job I've ever done, which is why I'm redoing it. And I'm going to be using this body for myself. Jim is going to be doing some work for me, mainly because I don't have any experience on what we're going to do to it. I'm not going to tell you what we're going to do to it, but I don't have any experience in doing it. So, with that said, all of the accessories on this are going on this. So let's quit jabbing and get to wrenching. Here we go. Alright guys, here we are. Again, I warn you, this is going to be an extremely long video. I'm going to try to do all this while trying to chat with you guys. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. So with this whole Deadbolt project I got going on, I'm going to call it Deadbolt project because I got baby Deadbolt and I got big Deadbolt over there, the 1/10, and I'm trying to make a mini-me of the big Deadbolt, but it's basically more of matching the big Deadbolt to this guy. So yeah, and this one I feel is a better match to the big Deadbolt. It still is a little bit darker in green than the big Deadbolt, but it still is a better match than this. So yeah, so we shall get the body off of here, unplug the lights down here, get this body off, which, why isn't it coming off? The chassis is really tight. There we go. And the truck can go bye-bye. And now we are left with the body. And first off, we have to get the lights out of it. Take this frickin' tape off that seems to be sticking super well. It's just your standard electrical tape. Stuck on there really well. Okay, so I am going to pause it while I get the tape off because, yeah, it's going to take forever. So be right back. Alright guys, we got the tape all off, and now we shall cut the zip tie out because I have to undo these wires. Take my little splitter out, cut the zip tie. Got the zip tie out, and now we take the lights out here. So, yeah, my first comp went over pretty good. Grant you, I had more steering servo problems. But overall, it was awesome time. So when I got there, it wasn't busy at all. There was me and like 2 other guys there, 3 other guys maybe. And then when my servo went out, and the time it took me to tear it all down, get the new servo horn in, and all that jazz, like everybody like freaking swarmed in the place and started comping. So it's like, I don't really want to bother with filming my run right now because I don't want to freaking take too long and doing my comp. So I'm like, F it. I shall just film me going through the gates after I run my comp and all that jazz. So I just continued on. Well, then it got so busy, they needed more judges. So then I got my judging hat on and I started judging people. And yeah, there was a lot of people there that night. And then by the time I got done judging, because I started judging the 124 scale, and by the time I got done judging, the 110 scale comp was done, and somebody had tore down the gates already. So I was like, man, I really wanted to film running through the gates a little bit more, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, that didn't work out too well. But it was fun all the same. So, let us get these wires out of here, which is going so smoothly. This is so awesome. I was really dreading doing this project just because of these lights, but they are coming out so beautifully, and you guys can't even see what I'm doing. So there we go, lights are out, and I'm keeping everything on here. All I'm gonna do is unbolt it just like this. This is actually gonna be a fairly quick video now, guys. I'm like almost halfway done. This is gonna be sweet. Hell yeah. Love it. Pretty sticking sweet. Oh, so I today got my t-shirts in. Yes. So when I'm done here, I will show you guys my t-shirts. So if you guys want one, I'm going to be selling them for $20 a piece. And they're not your typical cotton cheap freaking t-shirt. Like, they are a good quality t-shirt, just so you guys know. I'm not trying to rip you guys off, but hey, I'd like to make a little bit of coin, you know. But anyway, $20 a piece. I got extra large and 2X. So yes, $20 a piece, and you can have one. I figure I try it out, see how many people I get. I can get more, obviously, but yes, definitely would like to have it to where you guys can get some t-shirts. Oh, and let me know what you guys think about this idea in the comments. I'm thinking about making and producing my own gates, my own set of gates, and kind of like sticking my logo on the post, Jason's RCs kind of thing, and yeah, and making some good quality gates for you guys to purchase. I think that would be kind of cool. So there you go, guys. there goes that deadbolt. Gone and gone. I do need to take out this one because I need the hinge. Dun, 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 dun. This is going to be so cool. I can't wait to show you the plan I have for this guy. Is going to be so stinking sweet. I really hope you guys like it. It's going to be badass. I'll give you a hint, it has never been done, at least on YouTube. So I'm hoping to be the first one to do it. But it is going to be awesome all the same. So there is that. And now we shall take this cage off. So stinking sweet. So on top of having the shirts, I'm having decals made too, guys. So those I'm probably gonna sell for like, I don't know, $2 or something. So yes, definitely, if you guys are interested in any merch, let me know. I'll be more than happy to hook you up. Yes, sir. So, if you guys are interested in this rack here, I will leave a link to it in the description. The light bar I literally made myself. I did do a video of this using USA 1. If you guys are interested in knowing how, check it out in my tutorial playlist. There's a video on how to make a light bar, a DIY light bar. And obviously I tell you in the video on how to, like, if you want these not sticking out, I tell you how to do that in the video as well. So I figured that out after I built this one. So got good old Mofo playing in the background. Was watching his live stream. Now his live stream is done, obviously, so it's just another video of his that he put out. I believe it's the one. Yeah, he's doing a video on the Panda Hobby 24. He tore the motor out and everything. Love that guy. Big thanks to him. He gave me a shout out during his live stream. It was freaking awesome. Totally was not expecting that. That was so awesome. That guy is a really cool guy. Hence why I put and gave him a cabin on my course. He has his own Mofo cabin on my course. It's kind of cool. All right, so look at that, guys. That is now off. And now I have to drill some holes. So I gotta grab my drill bits. Yes, I know, brand new body and I'm putting holes in it. Well, that's the only way I get lights on my bodies, is to put holes in them. So that is what I am going to do again. And I think I'm going to put them in a slightly different area. Yep. So I do need this for the drill bit size. And it looks like not, oh yeah, it might have been that one. Well, it's going to be this one now. Yep. So 5 30-second drill bit, guys, is what I'm going to be using. Hopefully I can get this done without absolutely destroying the truck, because that would not be a good thing. Put a hole right here. Oh, that was loud. That was really loud. And another hole right here. Ta-da! Done and done. Get rid of some of the excess. Boom! And now we can bolt on the truck, or the roll bar. There we go. Oh snap. You guys can't even see what I'm doing. Screw number 1. There we go. Screw number 2. So, t-shirts, and we got decals. What else do we got going on here? Oh, me and my dad has started a new project down here on the track. That is going to be awesome. I'm literally going to be able to drive a complete circle around my rim, or my room down here. So yeah, it's going to be freaking sweet. It's going to basically be adding probably, shit, I would bet it's over 50 linear feet of track that I'm going to be adding to my course. It is going to be freaking sweet. Grant you, it's not going to be like a free roam area. It's going to be total goat path, but and directional. It's only going to be 1 lane wide in some areas, but it is going to be sweet all the same, guys. I really hope you guys like it. Hoping to be able to video some crawling on it for next Friday. It'll be freaking sweet. We are going to be working on it. We actually did a little work on it Friday during the day, yesterday during the day. So yeah, and then we are going to be doing some more work on it today. Gonna be mounting, it's gonna be basically it's gonna be a second level. So I'm putting a level above the course that I currently have. I think by the time I'm done, I might be flirting with 200 square feet of course, which is pretty big for an indoor course, mini crawler course. At least for your typical house, you know. At least I think so. I don't know, I could be wrong. But going to be sweet. So excited. Couple more screws, guys. So I'm going to finish screwing this together, and then we'll throw some decals on, and then it will be done. So be right back. Alright, guys. Got it all mounted up. Running my lights in here now. Gotta be very careful not to pull these wires apart, because that would be a very bad day if I did. Hell yeah. Got them all in there. So, Jim gave me some really cool fasteners. I gotta find them now. They are really good for holding wires up instead of using like tape. But now I just have to locate them. So let me find them and I will be right back. Okay, and we're back. So you guys may know these already, but you can get these I think on eBay. I think you can get like 10 of them for like $1. So yeah, $10 you can get 100 of them. It's freaking sweet. So Jim sent me some, and I think they are going to work freaking killer on holding these wires in place. So we shall give them a whirl. Get this two-sided tape off. Stick this SOB down in here. We shall stick it right here. Or should I stick it up on the side? No, I think that'll be alright. Yeah, no, I'm going to stick it on the side. Yep. Going to stick it right there. Boom. And now we can take this wire, push that down in there, which could be a little challenging. Okay, let me get this in there and I will be right back. Alright guys, check it out. Isn't that freaking cool? Just clips up in there, holds that wire down freaking nice and snug. Hell yeah. That is awesome. Thank you, Jim. That is amazing. I love it. So, I'm going to do the same thing on this side and be right back. Alright guys, check it out. Got a little clamp there, clamped in the center, and now I'm putting the headlights in. So these holes I drilled right here, they are drilled with a 1/8 drill bit. Yes, 1/8 drill bit will fit the bulb part of the light, but they have like a little lip on the back of the bulb. These are 3mm bulbs, and they slide right in there, but they don't slide all the way through, and they're a little snug fit, so they're going to stay in there really well, guys. So stinking sweet. So now, just to reassure these things stay in place, I'm going to use 2 more of these little clamps, and I'm going to stick one right, ooh, wait a minute, that might not work. I think I'm going to stick one right here. Yep. So let's stick this on the wire. Just like that. Get on there. Being really difficult. Get in there. There we go. Bam. We shall stick that right there, and that one is going to go. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put it right there. Yep. Right there. Right there. Oh, you guys can't see that. Oh yeah, you can. Alright, so she'll take the tape off. Shazam. Stick the light back in its hole. Bam. Just like that. I think I might have to put some tape on here yet just to hold that light in there. I don't like using hot glue because I feel hot glue is a little too permanent for my taste. These you can always just rip off and they come off pretty freaking easy. So I am a big fan of electrical tape or two-sided tape or anything to that nature, just because I feel it's not so permanent for instances like this where I'm gonna redo a body and reuse the body for something else. It's nice to be able to reuse shit. So 25 minutes we're coming up on. I got all kinds of crap going on down here. So we shall stick this one on as well. Bam. Take the tape off. Gotta love Mofo. Everybody loves Mofo. That guy is a genius. The shit he comes up with is absolutely amazing. Bam. Just like that. And we shall slide. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to put a piece of tape right there. Alright, I'm going to find some tape. Be right back. Alright guys, we have some very sticky, I'm going to call it monkey tape. Oh, if you guys are familiar with my channel, you know that these copyright claims that I've been getting have just been driving me bonkers, and this tape was responsible for one of those claims. So now, instead of calling it by its name, I'm calling it monkey tape. Because I'm so fed up with that freaking copyright bullcrap. Oh, it drives me bonkers. This may look kind of tacky, but it is going to kind of assist that light bulb from coming out, and hopefully it doesn't end up being all retarded later down the road, which I feel is a good possibility. But nonetheless, that is what I am doing. And I lost my other piece of monkey tape. Where did my monkey tape go? Here it is. So, stick the monkey tape right in there like that. And it does look pretty ugly in there. There we go. So those are assists. I don't like using glue, guys. I really don't. because you just can't get it back off without destroying shit. There we go. Check it out. So stinking sweet. We'll take these wires and pull them back through just a cut hair. Make everything nice and even, and then we plug in our Y connector, which goes this way. Bam. And then we plug in the other one. I warned you guys this is going to be a pretty long video. It's actually ending up being longer than what I was anticipating now, because it was going really smoothly to start out with. Oh, what is going on with that plug? It is not, oh, it's not pushed in all the way. Alright, be right back, guys. I gotta push this pin in a little further in this wire. Alright, there we have it, guys. Just like that. Boom. And I'm thinking I'm gonna put one more little fancy clip right there. But I don't know how that's going to interfere with the battery, so I might just leave it where it's at. Yep, I'm going to leave it just like that. So, now we shall stick it on the truck. But we need to get a magnet, which is on here. I shall just take a different magnet. Make sure, so it's got to go that way, which is kind of dumb. Don't like it. That's the same one on that one. Oh shit. Holy cow, that was stuck on there bigger than shit. Literally tore the tape right off the paint. Or took the paint right off the body. That's crazy. It also kind of sucks. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna get this tape off of here. Okay guys, here we go. Putting the hinge back on. I think I'm gonna do it this way. Put it back on there first. And then we shall stick the hinge back in there like that. Grab our hinge screw. Don't really want that to stick yet. Get my wrench. My 050. Finally got me one. Been doing the whole frickin' 1.3 millimeter or 1.3 Allen or whatever. And yeah, it works, but this 050 works so much better. Strongly recommend you getting a 050 hex head for working on these, because yeah, they just hold the screws on there so well. Stick that down in there like that. Look at that. And now I went ahead and stuck the two-sided tape on here to the magnet, and stuck it to the one on the ESC. And now we can take this and center it up on there with the wheels. Go ahead and push down on it. Just like that. Bam. And we have a mounted body. Just like that. Ta-da! It is a little off-centered. So, we shall try. Oh yeah, that came out pretty easy. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Stick it back on there. And we shall really pay attention to those frame rails. There we go. We have it on again. Oh shit, I think I might have just ruined the tape. Now I'm gonna have to retape it. Ugh. Come on, stick. Stick, stick, stick. There we go. Boom. Just like that. Isn't that sweet? Dun, 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 dun. So cool. Boom. Sticking pretty good. So now all that's left to do is stick the decals on. So I'm gonna quick do that off camera and be right back, guys. Alright guys, we are done. So this sticker is a little different. I kind of like it a little bit. The only thing I don't like about it is it overlaps the door handle sticker. But I feel I like it a little bit better than the little one, mainly because I don't have any more of those little ones. But I think that looks a little bit better. And I didn't put the drill sergeant on there because this is baby Deadbolt, so big Deadbolt over there is this drill sergeant, so this is going to be private. So, yeah, there we have it, guys. Isn't that freaking cool? I love that color green. It's so much better than the one that I picked. It just looks so much better. Heck yeah. We got the lights hooked up. Oh, they're not plugged in. So let me do that a second. Hopefully the wires didn't get messed up, because that would suck. So let's plug this in, which could be a task because I designed these to plug in, right? So I can take the bodies off when I have to, but you definitely don't want to unplug them every freaking time because it's a pain in the butt to hook back up. So this video is going to be extremely long, but I warned you guys. It is going to be a long video. Mainly because of this stupid shit right here. Alright. Why don't you want to cooperate? Okay, make sure we have it facing the right way. Boom. Plugged in. And we shall see if the lights work. Bam! Check it out. Ah! So cool. So yes, it is missing 2 lights. I'm going to be putting a different bumper on here and adding yet more lights. So, but anyway, that is going to wrap it up for this video, guys. Isn't that freaking sexy? Love it. Dad's going to love it too. So, tonight, 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday night. Yes, it is bench night Saturday night time. So, tune in, 11 o'clock. And, as always, I totally appreciate you guys staying tuned and watching in. And it's awesome. Almost at 500 subscribers. I'm think I'm gonna do a giveaway. Yep. I haven't quite figured out how to work out that random comment selector thing that upper left uses and so many other people use on their giveaways. I will try to figure that out. If not, I'm just gonna do it old school way. I'm gonna tell you guys to comment in this video right here because I'm announcing the giveaway. So as soon as I hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to give away, haven't really decided yet, but it's not gonna be nothing big because it's only 500 subscribers. Grant you, 500 subscribers is huge. It's just I've never seen anybody do a giveaway at 500 subscribers. For me, it's pretty huge, but is it quite scx24 worthy? Not really. That's a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So I think this brings me up to my t-shirts. I gotta show you my t-shirts. Hold on. Okay, so I think I'm going to give away a t-shirt. So here is the front. Dun, 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 dun. Jason's RCs. And here is the back. Pretty stinking sweet. Love it. So I'm gonna give away a t-shirt and a set of rims and tires. So yes, make a comment in this video and you will be entered in to the drawing for the giveaway. But anyway, Saturday night, bench night. I really appreciate you guys tuning in, and we will see you later. Take it easy, guys.